It's the lecture for class 7 for the subject of English language. Our today's topic is clean and green, and the subtopic which we are going to learn today is writing, doing my part for the environment. Objectives of today's lesson are: by the end of the lesson, students will be able to write freely on any given topic, learn the characteristics of a good essay, write an essay on the given topic. Before proceeding to our topic, first keep in mind that what is an environment? Environment is the surroundings and condition in which a person, a plant, or an animal lives. As you people know that what is surroundings us, the things, the places where we go or where we live are also included in our environment. Importance of environment. A clean environment is very important for our healthy and sound health. Here are some points you can see that cleanliness is a solution for reducing diseases. By keeping clean your environment, you can reduce the danger of diseases. Cleanliness makes us feel good and joyful. It means when we have a clean environment, we can enjoy a good health, we may be peaceful, and we will enjoy our life. And a healthy environment can increase our lifespan. A healthy environment provides us a sound and healthy life. Before writing your essay, keep in mind that a good essay has the following characteristics: that it has unity, order, and brevity. An essay must be a unity of theme, a unity of purpose, and the unity of subject. The subject must be clearly defined in the mind and keep in view throughout the essay. Nothing irrelevant should be included in it. And at the same time, subject should be treated from the different points of view. Now, what is order? Order is the sequence of incidents or paragraphs. The essay should follow a certain order that will start from the introduction that will lead to the conclusion. And in the center, you have to give supporting detail. And by following brevity, we should write an essay within limits. We should not include anything that is irrelevant. And we should avoid the repetition of phrases and same words. Before starting your essay, keep in mind that an essay have three parts. First, introductory paragraph. Second is supporting paragraphs. And at the end, you have to give conclusion. In introductory paragraph, you people have to write a paragraph in which you will give introduction of your topic. Supporting paragraphs are the paragraphs in which you people have to write the material and detail about your topic. In this, you can write the activities, the steps you will take to save your environment. You may add good or bad happenings. You can also discuss the campaign of your planting new trees, or you may discuss the problems you faced while protecting and cleaning your surroundings. You may also discuss their solutions. And at the end of the lesson, you people have to give a conclusion of your essay, in which you have to write a short summary of your above detail. Now, here are some important points and questions to write your essay easily. First of all, you can discuss in your essay the things that you are currently doing at your home to help the environment or to save the environment. Secondly, what are the actions you can do to protect your environment? In this, you have to discuss the actions or the steps you can take to protect or to save your environment. And number 3, what are the ways you can use to encourage your friends and family to do their part for the environment? That how they can take part in cleaning the environment and your surroundings. And how you can convince them that we should keep our environment clean and green. And number 6, what interesting activities you can do to attract the people to clean their surroundings. That in this, you will discuss the interesting steps, the interesting acts or actions or activities you can use to attract the people that we should save our environment from any kind of pollution. Next is how we can minimize the pollution. In this, you can discuss the ways, the steps you can take to minimize the pollution, to decrease the pollution. As you can say that we should use public transport instead of private transport, or we should minimize the use of coal, we should minimize the use of plastic bags, we should have a proper sewerage system, we should not waste the water or any other activities. And the last point is protect the environment by planting new trees, because trees can reduce pollution. Trees can help us to keep our environment and surroundings clean. They can clean our atmosphere. So how you will encourage people that they should plant new trees? Now students, you have a clear concept of environment and its importance, and the parts of an essay and its characteristics, that how you can write an effective essay. I have also discussed a lot of detail about your topic. So your follow-up work is that you people have to write an essay on the topic of doing my part for the environment. Okay students, thank you.